Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Nivea for Men Deep Cleaning Face Scrub, 4.4 Oz. Tubes, pack of 4. Unfortunately, Nivea discontinued that product, and replaced it with the Revitalizing formula, which has 50 different ingredients, and leaves me with skin that isn't nearly as clear. It being a scrub, it has some coarse particles in it, but not rough at all. This won't help you get a better shave, and much less so a clear complexion. They stopped trying to cut cost at the consumer's expense, and bring back the old scrub. Great product for facial skin that is dirty from working in a dirty shop building cars. It smells great, and does a great job of keeping his skin hydrated and smooth. The energizing scrub is too smooth, angelica in its consistency, and the abrasives are not as palpable and effective. The polyethylene beads do a much gentler job of abrading the dead skin from your face. The scent is pleasant and mild, with a tingling sensation that comes on after 1 or 2 minutes due to an aromatic of some sort. He is also noticing some of his blemishes are fading, and the scrub doesn't irritate his skin. Nothing is perfect for this problem, but this is excellent as part of a shaving regimen. Scrubbing away layers of dead skin smooths the shaving process and saves your razors from dulling too fast. There are no other face scrubs that truly have the grit that this one does. The scrubby balls within the soap effectively break down tough facial hair, letting the razor get closer to the skin for a cleaner shave. Nivea Energizing Face Scrub for Men is by far the best face cleaning product on the market. Cleans very well, leaves your face without a trace of oil after you scrub for a few good seconds. The scrub part is good, but the little beads they include in the product can be annoying. It has more of a cologne smell, which many women may not find appealing when applied to their own skin. One thing to remember is that there is a certain amount of grit in this that can get in your eyes. It's easily washed out, but if you're not expecting it, there may be another surprise. Blackheads are gone, skin smooths, pores open, and all that in under a very few minutes. After a hot shower, rub this on, and then the cream, and go for it. For men who wet shave, the key is preparing the face or beard for the harshness of the razor. The Nivea Men Face Scrub, when applied, does have a tingly feel after washing it off due to the menthol alcohol ingredients. However, the slant against this product is that the exfoliating beads inside were unnecessary, even annoying. The product didn't need these added elements in order to accomplish its objective, which is to prep a man's face for shaving. Not too harsh, little or no fragrance, and a feeling of being really clean when finished. You need very little applied to your face, and you don't need to scrub your face hard or rub it into your skin too much. Love this scrub. It is perfect for a man's face, and the smell is excellent. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.